Hello everybody, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing some coilover install on my car. I've been wanting this for a long time, and finally I'm gonna do it because right now I'm just running on springs. It's uneven as you can tell, and it's bounty as well. And so right now I'm just getting some tools from my shed, and my car is over there in the back. And let's get started before it gets any later. Alright, so I made it right here to the car. This is how it sits right now. Big gap. And this one's, I like how it is, you know. I also got my coilovers right here. Sick, Truhart. And also I got my materials that I'll be needing. WD-40, a jack, or el gato, and my tools. So first things first, I'm just gonna remove the wheels and we should get started. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you guys hear any background noise like tools, construction, and all that stuff, it's gonna be over there. They're building a house. But also to inspect the coilover itself, make sure it's not damaged or anything. So right now we're just gonna take it out and inspect them. Tools. It's a little lubricant for things. Ooh, look at these, man. God damn. This is crazy, yo. That. Wow, look at these. Damn, man. It looks good. To me, it looks like it's good. There's not anything, there's no damage at all. It's just everything how it should go. Look at that. Shit's sexy as hell, man. Oh, where was that? This little lubricant right there. I heard that it's gonna go right here on the nut, right there next to that ball joint. I don't know what it is, but that's where it goes.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Alright, so that's how it looks right now. Just took off the wheel. So this is my first time doing this, so oh, there you can see it. There you go. It's my first time doing it. So what I've known and seen on my little research that I've done is that this right here, take this off, make sure you take out this little clip right here, snap it off, make sure your brake line is snuggled somewhere else. And also remove these 3 bolts and we should be fine. Alright, so this is what I did. I got my WD-40. I sprayed some on. Oh, focus, there you go. I sprayed some on right there on these bolts. Oh my god, that one right there. I still got to do the one right there in the bottom and over here as well. I took the part of the brake line right here, and also this one as well from this side, and this big ass one. This big ass one that comes with a clip like this. It's got a hammer and a flathead screwdriver, and just smacked it, you know, smacked it this way. So yeah, and my custom made blue calipers, I wish they were brighter, but oh well. And yeah, so I just sprayed that on, let it dry out for a bit, I guess, and then I'm get this tool right here, put it right there, and then get at the same time get my ratchet, put it right here, or the other way around, whichever, I guess, doesn't matter. And we should continue to take off the strut and the spring. All right, so look at all the stuff that I had to use, because I got these bolts off. Sorry about the background noise. Got these off, and the end link right here, this one was, it was, you know, a hassle, because I had to hammer it with the mallet, and then I couldn't fit this here, and then at the end I used this. Nice. I put it like this, let me see, like that, and with my ratchet, and just used it like a breaker bar. Luckily it fit, you know, clearance is pretty good. So, and then from there I just broke it off, and it took me a while. Okay, so I finally took out the strut. Look, I didn't record it, but I was just getting desperate, and I cut it with my machine, my cutter. And here it is. I throw it over here, man, because I got annoyed. Look at that. That shit was stripped, man. Let me see if I can still turn it. Let me see. Yeah, look, I can still turn it, man. It's annoying. Hopefully it's just on this side, but the other side I haven't tried it yet because I haven't gone to it. But it took me a while. It took me a while, man. Alright, so this is how it is. Yup, it's already in. I just gotta tie in this bolt and these two, that one and that one, and the ones on top. It's taking longer than I expected, man. But yeah, and the brake line, I know it comes with a bracket, but I'm just gonna zip tie it somehow. I don't know, to be honest. Just wish me luck. Sorry about the background noise, but yeah, that's how it's looking right now. I love it. Just gotta lower it, you know, right here, and we should be fine. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna tighten these up, just like so. I know I didn't show you guys the full process, but I'm working by myself right now at the moment. My brother-in-law is sleeping. He had graveyard shift, so I'm here to do it by myself. But he should be up any minute now. But right now I'm just gonna tighten these up, and I'm gonna start with the rear. And it got really late. Alright, so I just installed my front suspension, adjusted and everything. I like how it is, and right now I'm just with my brother-in-law. He's working on his car. Oh, let's see, this Mustang right here. He just installed this right here. Damn, carbon fiber, man. She looks clean. And also he has some carbon fiber right here in the rear. Excuse the kids screaming in the background. But yeah, he's working on this, and next thing he's gonna do is gonna be this, but I think it's gonna be another day. And yeah, this is V8 GT. Oh, here's mine. And that's my rear suspension right there. It's easy, way easier than the front. Just take out this bolt right here, and let's see, this one right here, and those two small nuts and bolts right there, and everything comes out. Oh, and also the spring. Drop this, take out the spring like that. Oh, that's the front right here, these two. And yeah, just plug and play, put that back on, reverse it, and we should be good. All right, hello people. Yeah, it's the following day. I already finished installing my coilovers, and yeah, I just came to the car wash and finished detailing her up real good, and she's sitting fine. Damn, it scraped over there in the back, and I got stuck. So yeah, that's my first encounter, and I had people helping me out. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, so this is my car right here. Damn, she's clean and low. The tires, it's sitting on the fender up here, and the rears is tucking a little bit more, and shit on the other side. Right there too. I gotta roll my fenders so it could be perfect. And here's the rear. Damn, man, it's tucking. That's what I wanted. And this is how low it is. Yup, it hits almost everything. So yeah, that's my car. And the fronts. It's sitting way lower now. Woo. I did an awesome job. My brother-in-law and my suegro helped me out. So yeah, like I said, my brother-in-law and his dad helped me out with the install. They were here and they were there, you know, they were coming in and out, but because they had things to do. But yeah, they were helping me out and it was cool, and it took me a while, as you guys can tell. So, and it's the following day, and yeah, it rides pretty good. I like it, and I like how it sits. That's why I got them, you know. And so yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it wasn't that helpful like my previous videos, but I just tried my best to record. And yeah, like I said, so if you enjoy my videos and everything, or this video, leave a like and comment, and please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.